It's been a weird couple of years for us as wedding photographers, and we're for sure in a transitionary time in the industry. With AI image editing and culling, our workflows are getting faster. My back-end process is down to about maybe an hour and a half per wedding now. It's pretty nuts. And the AI, it's unfortunately or fortunately pretty darn good. If this is massively adopted, does this mean that photographers are now going to be willing to work for less and less and less money? And does this mean it's going to become a race to the bottom with everyone offering rock bottom prices? My theory is maybe for certain areas of the industry. I for sure see the mid-range photographers starting to erode. Low-cost photographers will always book work. High-end photographers will always book work, but it's that middle slot that's going to get even more tricky. But maybe more importantly, how does one go from a low-cost photographer to a high-end photographer if there is no middle? I think it's still too early to tell with a lot of things, but I will update you when and where I see what I'm seeing. That was bad grammar. For now, the advice that I have is to really spend some proper time this year creating content that will get people connected to you, the person behind the camera. When I look at pretty much everyone's social media profile, one problem keeps coming up that I don't see enough of your face. I know as photographers, we got into this to be behind the camera and to create beautiful work, but the industry really is shifting. The sad news is that everyone takes great photos now, or maybe that's great news. It's nice that everyone's making good work. Mirrorless cameras with their incredible lenses, eye autofocus, proper metering, and seeing exactly the image that you're taking on the back of the screen. It's sad, but being a great photographer is now only a small section of what it actually takes to be successful. And now you kind of have a choice either to understand that and to iterate your business, or to stay the current course, and it's gonna be a hard next couple of years. The landscape of what a photographer is also shifting. I'll be making another video about this in January as well. While photography will always be a staple for weddings, video is becoming increasingly more important. I'm going to my 6th wedding where I've been hired as a lead photographer, but they've actually made the switch and I'm now doing a highlight film as the primary deliverable, but including some basic staple photos, family photos, a couple photos of the couple, and a few of the wedding party and the ceremony. But other than that, it's all video coverage. So my hybrid workflow has completely flipped. It's also easy video coverage, and you already have the skills and the gear if you're a photographer, but it's for sure a heavy shift that I'm seeing, and I haven't even started marketing it yet. So if you really want to make a proper run at this wedding photography thing, I have a number of things to talk about. Things that are proven to be working. The first key is making a simple promo video to use on both your website as well as in paid ads. You'll save money promoting a video rather than a text link, since that's what all social platforms want. That is going to be a completely qualified lead coming into your website rather than somebody who was like, I don't know, I kind of like that picture, and then they bounce. In Book More Weddings 2023, I have 5 sample promo video scripts that you can use. I also have a 15-day social media calendar that you can just repeat over and over and over again for year-round content, plus 30 days of social media ideas for wedding photographers if you want to go even more above and beyond. I've even included a few sample About Me scripts for your wedding photography website. The idea with Book More Weddings 2023 is to summarize everything in one single place. And until January 20th, 2023, you also get a bunch of bonus extras as well as discount. You get access to Book More Weddings 2022 and 2021, 2 completely different courses. It's not just a few things added each year, it is entirely remade. Plus my premium video set that came out a few weeks ago called Your First Million in Wedding Photography, which is a guide to get your business to your first $1 million in the industry. Now you'll also get access to my full preset pack, a $49 value on its own, my wedding photography email templates, my current contract, and my wedding photography photo checklist. It's a lot of stuff, but if you want even more stuff until January 20th, for just $20 more, you can get access to even more. You can get access to my 3-hour wedding photography workshop, my guides to hybrid photo/video wedding days, how to make a highlight film for wedding photographers, real initial client meetings, advanced wedding photography marketing, welcome guide templates, pricing templates, and a pricing course. I'll stop listing stuff because there's honestly so much more. The difference is, first option, one-time buy with all the bonuses. The second option is if you sign up for a year on the members website, you get access to everything really that I've ever made. It also comes with ongoing content, and I think there's already about 100 weeks of content up there. Plus, you also get access to the members-only Facebook group. There is no contract. You don't have to renew for more than a year. And always with either of these options, there is a 100% money-back guarantee. If within 30 days you decide that this content is just not for you, send me an email. Email is right here, and I'll send you your money back. So there is no risk. Give it a shot. There are thousands of photographers already inside the members website and have seen massive years in their business. Wedding photography really is an amazing job, and I hope to see you inside of this year's course.